National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 1 inch of rain has fallen in the last 30 minutes in and around Alexandria. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch can be expected, mainly in the district. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Alexandria, Arlington, Ballston, Rossland, and downtown Washington. This includes the following streams and drainages: Little Falls Branch, Anacostia River, Potomac River, Oxen Run, Holmes Run, 4 Mile Run, Rock Creek, Sligo Creek, Beaverdam Creek, Barnaby Run, Trips Run, Backlick Run, Indian Run, Pike Branch, Long Branch, and Little Pimmick Run. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban